Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we bring you Q4 earning review of Transport Corporation of India, Thermax Limited and Gabriel India Limited. Let us first look at Transport Corporation of India. TCI reported strong 87% year-on-year rise in adjusted profit after tax for Q4 FY21 led by strong growth across verticals and improvement in blended margins. Over Rs 300 crore cash flow from operations led to debt equity reduction from 0.4 times in FY20 to just 0.2 times in FY21. Management is optimistic for financial year 22 with target to grow top line by 15% and bottom line by 20%. TCI is set to capture growth cycle with aggressive capex plan of Rs 225 crore for financial year 22 spread across different business verticals. Analyst maintains buy on TCI with a revised price target of Rs 444 considering healthy growth outlook for its key vertical that is freight, supply chain management and seaways over financial year 21 to 23 estimates. Thermax Limited. Thermax reported healthy Q4 FY21 performance led by strong execution across segments and improvement in margins leading to beat on net profit. Order inflow remained strong despite absence of large size order, while it has visibility on large size orders in oil and gas, FGD, refineries and chemicals. A strong balance sheet and a net cash position provide comfort in the present environment. The company's focus on newer technologies is expected to provide next lead of growth in the coming times. Analyst upgrades Thermax to buy with a revised price target of 1,720 led by improving visibility for new orders due to positive business environment. Gabriel India Limited. Analyst maintains buy on Gabriel India Limited with an unchanged price target of Rs 160 factoring in recovery of automotive demand after the wave 2 of COVID recedes and its preparedness to benefit from adoption of electric two-wheeler in India. Q4 FY21 results were strong aided by EBITDA margin expansion despite sharp rise in input cost. Profit before tax has seen a growth of 82% year-on-year in Q4 FY21 driven by robust 36.8% revenue growth and a 70 basis EBITDA margin expansion. Gabriel is well positioned to gain from rapid adoption of electric vehicles especially e-two-wheelers and electric three-wheelers where it is developing products with leading players such as Bajaj Auto, M&M, Ather Energy, Ola Electric and Okinawa. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.